Hello, how are you? I am back again and today I am unboxing the brand new February 2026 glossy box. And I swear I am not exaggerating when I say this is one of the best glossy boxes I think I've ever seen. So first up, this isn't actually a box, it's a bag and it's such a cute little bag. Look at this. It's perfect for Valentine's Day. It's super cute. I love these little glossy box makeup bags. I just find them really handy for, you know, makeup, for travel, for putting in cosmetics, tampons, I don't know, like phone chargers, anything like that. You just can never have enough of these little bags, and this one is just so cute. And the first item that we've got is so good, it didn't actually fit in the bag. Look what we've got. Look at that, Iconic London. And this is the Brow Silk Kit. This is so good. I am such a fan of Iconic products, like they're so good, but they are quite expensive, so I don't generally treat myself. But look at this, look. It's a brow, oh look, there's me. Ooh, that's creepy, very meta. Yeah, it's a brow setting product and it comes with its own little brush. Like, I don't know, I'm blown away, that's so good. And then next up, let's look inside the bag. The first item is, So the first item inside the bag is a collagen serum. This is a nice full-size product. This is 30 mils. Let me show it to you. So that is the product and it's by Dr. Eve Ruth. I don't know how to pronounce that. I'm so sorry. But yeah, I'm super excited about this. Lovely serum. Can't wait to use it. So that is that. And then the next product is by Bioma. I'm actually using their, let me go get it for you. So I'm actually using one of their products at the moment. I'm using their sensitive retinol oil. I really like the results of retinol, but I have quite dry and sensitive skin, so I have to be quite careful not to use a really strong retinol. And I'm using one of theirs at the moment and I absolutely love it. I think their products are really, really good. This is the Bioma UVB moisturizing gel cream with SPF. So I'm really looking forward to that. And look, it's like properly full size. Let's pump some out and see what the texture's like. Oh, that's light. Wow, that's crazy light for an SPF. That's incredible. That's so good. That's so light. That's amazing. Anyway, that is the next item. That is Bioma and it is an SPF moisturizing gel cream. Lovely and light, great SPF, perfect. Ooh, and then the next item is by Nails Inc. and this is a Glow and Grow glow boosting nail treatment. So I'm looking forward to that because I always have really weak and gross nails, so that's perfect for me. And then the last item, oh my goodness, this is so good. This is a Glossybox scented candle. I don't know if I'm getting it in focus. The light is crazy today. But let's open it up and have a look. Okay, so here is the candle. It's a little miniature travel candle. It smells so pretty. It's called Scent with Love, and I'm not sure what it's meant to smell of, but it's really pretty. It's kind of like berries. Yeah, it's really berries and musky, I think. It's really pretty. Anyway, that is the entire glossy box. It's so good. Like everything from the bag is incredible. The Bioma, absolutely amazing. Serum, hello. And then a nail product so that we get like nice strong nails. And then of course the Nails Ink. And then a candle, like it's all killer, no filler. I am blown away by how good it is. I genuinely think it's the best glossy box we've had in actually years. I love this one. What do you think? Are you a fan? And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again soon. Goodbye.